Hi, here at Technology Core, we're being asked a lot at the moment about how to make video conferencing more interactive. With an interactive screen and a camera, you can make your video conferencing session, whether you're using Zoom or Microsoft Teams, super interactive using the Whiteboard feature. So in this video, we're going to take a look at that feature in both platforms. Okay, so we'll start with Zoom, one of the more popular video conferencing softwares, and this is our Zoom Room interface. So if you're using this with a HDI screen, you can use the HDI Zoom Room, and it makes it super easy just to walk up to your screen and start a meeting. But not only do that, we can also, if you touch down here, you see a meeting ID. That's how you'll invite people in. Really simple, and really simple to start a collaborative interactive session. So now we've got our whiteboard up here. I've got multiple points of touch. I can progress the whiteboard and save this and take as many notes as I want. All of that builds up really easy, really simple. Yeah, nice and simple to change colors, nice and simple to change thickness, have shape ID done on here as well, and erase any of this here. So we've got my colleague at the other end here who's been offered that ID, and really simple now just to collaborate on something or do something as silly as just play a quick game of noughts and crosses on a Friday afternoon. But very simple. Also really easy. One nice little feature within here is you can change the background, and we can change it up to nice black background, which gives makes our text kind of stand out even more. And one of the nice features within here is when we do come out of here and we click on the save button, it's really simple to wrap all this up and send it to any of your participants via an email address. Okay, so we're going to come from Zoom now to Microsoft Teams, another big platform around the VC space. We've got a number of contacts set up in here. This is what we use as a business. And I've actually got a call running over here with my colleague in New South Wales. So to make this an interactive VC session, again using a whiteboard, all we're going to need to do is click on Share, and we're going to have our whiteboard icon down here. Very similar to what we saw in Zoom. This opens up the whiteboard application within Teams, and this is going to give us some limited features within here so that we can collaborate across some content. So in the same way as we saw in Zoom, we've got arrays, we've got colors, and we can be interactive and coming up with ideas on our board that are all going to get shared and saved back to the cloud with anyone that's part of this session. Part of what you can do within Teams is you can actually, you see this button here, I can actually open this in the full Windows Whiteboard app if you have that installed on your desktop. And what that will do is it will share the full app experience through with any of the people in your session. So we've got Cliff up here that's able to join as well. What that does is open up a whole host of expanded feature sets. So we've got different colors, thickness, things like that we can use here. We've got a really expansive whiteboard that's an infinite size space that we can utilize together as a team. And we can even investigate things like dropping on media to the whiteboard so that we can really create a lot on this infinite space as well. Within here, you can change things like backgrounds and really kind of gear this to whatever angle you're really needing. So for our business customers and our education customers, this opens up a full ecosystem to be collaborative with the people that are connecting with you over video conferencing. So that's a quick insight into Zoom and Microsoft Teams, specifically looking at the whiteboard to make those video conferences fully interactive using a HDI screen. For more information or to book an online demo for yourself, jump to www.technologycore.com.au. Thank you.